Alright, welcome back everybody to another video. So we are actually underground right now. We are taking what's called the T Train here, and Jay and I are going to kind of head around town. One cool thing about this public transportation is that the T Train, everything right here in Center City, is free. So that's a really cool service that, you know, if you need to get around town, and let's say you live in a city, you don't have a car. I mean, I'm starting to really see the benefits of, you know, mass transit. So the thing of it is here, I mean, there's not a whole lot of people here. This is pretty clean and, like I said, not crowded at all. Yeah, there we go.
Next stop, north side.
Oh, that's so neat. So guys, coming up from here, this actually, this tunnel here goes, or this rail line actually goes underneath the Allegheny River. So we went over there, you guys saw Heinz Field and across the river there, and then we're back up here, and we're gonna be venturing to Point State Park next, and you know, keep this day going.
Ride over there somewhere, starting off.
Cool.
I'll let you do your thing, Vlad.
Okay. All right, guys. Well, after finishing up riding the T Train here, what you guys saw was right over there was where we just were. We came down, back around underneath the river here, and we are at Point State Park. There's beautiful, massive fountain here. We get a really nice shot of Heinz Field there where the Pittsburgh Steelers play. And across there, maybe not this trip, but next trip I come to Pittsburgh, I definitely want to check out the Carnegie Science Center. There's, I don't know if you can see, there's a submarine over there, and that's part of the admission. And right across the way, that big oval right there, that's actually the Mr. Rogers monument. And down the way we have a big tugboat. That might be like a dinner cruise type thing. And then I think right across this bridge here is, I want to say it's PNC Park where the Pittsburgh Pirates play. So I gotta say, you know, from what I've seen so far, I've driven through this area a couple times, but never actually here, and I'm liking it so far. I really am. You know, it's a lot kind of the same vibe I felt with when I visited Portland, Maine a couple years ago. Really nice city, very clean, extremely friendly people. You know, it's just quite an experience. Down here at this other, or not the other, but this fountain once again. And it looks like we have, actually they're going into port there. Got a couple of big barges in the background there. Sure. Oh. Hi there. Friendly?
She's very friendly, yeah. The other one, he's not me. He's just good. You guys
Yep.
want your picture or anything?
Oh, no, we're good. Thank you. Like I say, guys, I always get dogs in my video if I can. And Jay's got a neat little little toy right here. It is a motorized time lapse. You can't even see it really moving, but
Like a kitchen timer.
yeah. Hopefully the wind noise isn't too bad and you guys can hear this, but I'm only got about 20% left of battery on the Osmo here, and I think we're going to be getting lunch here soon. Anyway, if you enjoyed this video and if you're enjoying the trip so far, from my perspective here in Pittsburgh, give the video a big thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and like always, we'll see you soon.